High-speed trains are more than just a mode of transportation. They are a symbol of progress, innovation, and sustainable development. Around the world, governments are investing billions into futuristic rail projects that promise to change the way people travel. From Asia to Europe and from the Middle East to Africa, the future of rail travel is unfolding before our eyes. In this video, we will explore 10 upcoming high-speed train projects between 2025 and 2040 that are set to redefine mobility and connectivity. Texas Central High-Speed Rail, USA. The Texas Central project is considered the United States' first true high-speed rail system. It will connect Dallas and Houston with trains running at speeds up to 320 km/h, 200 mph. Inspired by Japan's Shinkansen bullet train technology, this line will reduce travel time to just 90 minutes compared to the 4-hour drive by car. More than just speed, this project promises safety, efficiency, and environmental benefits by cutting highway congestion and lowering carbon emissions. The Texas Central Rail is a step toward transforming American travel, setting the foundation for a broader nationwide high-speed rail network in the future. Jakarta-Bandung High-Speed Rail, Indonesia. Indonesia has officially entered the high-speed era with the Jakarta-Bandung Rail, the first in Southeast Asia. Covering 140 kilometers in under 40 minutes. The train operates at speeds of 350 km/h. Jointly developed by Indonesia and China, it reflects international cooperation in modern infrastructure development. This project is not just about fast travel. It also supports Indonesia's economic growth by boosting tourism and reducing road traffic.
The long-term vision includes extending the line to Surabaya,
creating a high-speed backbone that connects the country's most populated islands. Bangkok-Nong Khai High-Speed Rail, Thailand. Thailand's Bangkok-Nong Khai project is part of the larger Pan-Asian Railway plan that will eventually link China, Laos, and Southeast Asia. This line will operate at 250 km/h and reduce the current travel time by more than half. Beyond passenger convenience, the project will serve as a trade and tourism lifeline, connecting multiple economies in the region. Once complete, the Bangkok-Nong Khai line will place Thailand at the center of a high-speed corridor linking East Asia to Southeast Asia, making it one of the most strategic railway developments of the decade. Istanbul-Ankara Next Generation HSR, Turkey. Turkey has already made great strides with its current high-speed network, but the next generation Istanbul-Ankara line aims to push the boundaries even further. With trains running at 350 km/h, this project will reduce travel between the two cities to just 80 minutes compared to the current 4.5-hour trip. This high-speed corridor will not only improve domestic travel, but also strengthen Turkey's role as a bridge between Europe and Asia. With modern stations, advanced safety systems, and eco-friendly technologies, the Istanbul-Ankara line is expected to be one of the most impressive projects in the region. Saudi Arabia Land Bridge Project, Saudi Arabia. The Saudi Land Bridge Project is one of the most ambitious transport initiatives in the Middle East. Designed to connect Jeddah on the Red Sea with Dammam on the Arabian Gulf, this project essentially builds a railway bridge across the entire kingdom, while freight transport will be a major focus. The project will also include passenger trains capable of speeds up to 300 km/h. This dual-purpose line will cut travel time significantly, strengthen domestic travel, and establish Saudi Arabia as a major logistics hub between Asia, Africa, and Europe. As part of Vision 2030, the land bridge is set to transform the kingdom's transportation landscape. Sydney-Melbourne High-Speed Rail, Australia. The Sydney-Melbourne corridor is one of the busiest air routes in the world, and a high-speed rail line connecting these two cities has been under discussion for decades. Finally, plans are moving forward to build a line where trains will travel at speeds exceeding 300 km/h, covering more than 800 km. The project will reduce the journey to around 3 hours, making it competitive with air travel. Aside from saving time, it will reduce the environmental footprint of air travel and encourage economic growth between the two cities. If successful, it could become the backbone of a future nationwide network in Australia. Moscow-Kazan High-Speed Rail, Russia. Russia's Moscow-Kazan line is designed to run trains at 360 km/h, cutting the journey from 12 hours to just 3.5 hours. Seen as the first phase of a potential Moscow-Beijing high-speed corridor, the project holds immense geopolitical and economic importance. The line will strengthen regional connectivity and boost Russia's transport modernization goals. While delays and funding challenges have slowed progress, the project remains a cornerstone of Russia's high-speed vision, combining technological ambition with strategic influence across Eurasia. Lisbon-Madrid High-Speed Rail, Portugal-Spain. The Lisbon-Madrid line is a long-awaited project that aims to reduce travel between the two capitals to under 3 hours. Operating at 300 km/h, it will connect Portugal more closely to Spain's extensive high-speed rail system and the broader European network. By doing so, it will encourage green, sustainable travel while boosting tourism and trade between the two nations. For Portugal, this project represents a significant leap forward in modern transport infrastructure, ensuring better integration with the European Union's vision of a connected continent. Egypt's Green High-Speed Rail, Egypt. Egypt is building Africa's first comprehensive high-speed network. Known as the Green Rail, the project will link Cairo, Alexandria, and new smart cities with trains reaching speeds of 250 km/h. Extending more than 1,800 km, the network will carry millions of passengers annually while focusing on sustainable and energy-efficient operations. The Green Rail is part of Egypt's broader strategy to modernize infrastructure, support economic growth, and create a new era of mobility across Africa. With international companies involved, the project is set to make Egypt a leader in high-speed rail on the continent. To Morocco's LGV extension, Morocco. Morocco became the first African country to operate a high-speed train with the Al Borak line. Now the country is expanding this network to Marrakesh and Agadir. With trains running at 320 km/h, the extension will dramatically cut travel times and enhance tourism opportunities. This expansion strengthens Morocco's position as a leader in African transport innovation and demonstrates how emerging economies can embrace futuristic infrastructure. The LGV extension is expected to attract millions of passengers annually, fueling both domestic growth and international recognition. Outro from the deserts of Saudi Arabia to the bustling cities of Asia and Europe. These upcoming high-speed train projects are shaping a future where speed, sustainability, and connectivity go hand in hand. Each of these projects reflects not just engineering marvels, but also bold visions for the future of travel. By 2040, the world could be more interconnected than ever before, with high-speed rail at the center of this transformation.